So actually there are a lot of types of the malware, such as viruses, worms, trojans, and other like ransomwares. And I've just want to explain the keylogger, how it works, and from the list I've chosen this one, where in the virus was used such techniques or techniques, I guess, as RAT, REMCOS, and the keylogger. Here's the list, and here we can see that in the video screenshots we can see that some program collects the data that user choose, and then give us the link, which is actually malicious at the end. Yep, here. And it contains such ransomware as keylogger, red, and etc. So red is kind of a type of a malware which gives the hacker access to the remote control, and REMCOS also. And the keylogger is something, some kind of a malware which, after the running, will collect all the data that user somehow typed or did on the computer. I can give you example. So at the end of the video, there will be a Python code which will run on the Kali Linux, which is not actually the malware, but it shows how actually keylogger mechanism works. So thanks. So it's a simple keylogger. You have imported file input, which will give us the opportunity to look for the key activities that we do on our keyboard. So here we have functions on press, write file, and on release. So why we need write file and what it do. So it creates a log file, or if it exists, it will append. For the first time, we can just write W for write. Yep. But A is okay. So actually, it will work that way, and it will write all the things that we have typed in such manner as in kavычки. So to avoid this and to be okay that the words are clear typed and they can be seen in the good good view, we just if we'll find space, we just write the new line. We can do whatever we want, and if we'll find a key, we just write key. So let's just run it, and we'll see that we'll type something that you can see that all the things that we've done are written there. So to quit the program, we just have to press escape. So that's all, I guess. Here it is. Escape, return false, and we'll just finish the program. So here we have log file that was created, and here's all the words that we have typed. So also one thing why we need the count. So the user can type a lot of words and for a lot of time, and we need the count for being sure that we will save all the words that was typed by the user time by time. In that case, if for example computer will turn off China suddenly, yeah, and it will just append and update the log file every 5 words. That's all.